together we'll understand more. You might call me hypocrite, you might call me hypocrite. I know I'm not above it all. So come on and take my hand. Together we'll 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 understand.
Unsigned and original music on Round Sound Radio, showcasing the best of the best acts throughout Liverpool and the Northwest.
When you dance with the devil,
I'm left out. I will never be a rock star.
Round Sound original and unsigned music every Sunday 8 p.m. till 10 p.m. And at number 18 this week, guys, it's down 3. It is Jake McRae and the What Went Wrongs with Fags and Hops. Big thanks, by the way, for getting involved the other night, guys. Jake had a gig in Liverpool on the Tuesday. They had problems getting their audio gear sorted and things like that, and everyone rallied around and made sure that the show continued. That's what I like to see. A bit of love within the Liverpool band community. That's what it's all about, guys. That's what it's all about. This is this week's number 18. It is Jake McRae and the What Went Wrongs with Fags and Hops. Tunage.
Lately we've been different, not fighting, just exhausted. Why do your eyes look dead, my dear? Why do you act like I'm haunted? The other side of your bedroom feels 100 feet away. And if you're not quite with it, darling, we could do a different day. And don't you think we're too
Unsigned and original music in the Northwest. Every Thursday on Round Sound Radio, Northwest Unsigned and original Top 20 Countdown.
Oh, young man!
Oh, Jesus. Okay, number 17 this week, guys. We have a brand new entry in the chart by a chap that goes by the name of David Neville King with Blue Cagoule. All our new entries this week, not all of them, sorry. I think 5 of them entered this week into the top 20, and some of them done really, really well. This is this week's number 17, guys. Have a go with this. It's a lovely tune, this. David Neville King. I thought this might have done better, to be fair.
Standing out in the rain, going insane. Got your flip-flops on, waiting for the sun. Hair in your face, it's all over the place. I said, why won't you come along with me? You sit on every corner, should be sitting on my knee. She said, no, that ain't the way I flow. Give us some money and then I'd like it if you go. I said, I can hear you standing there humming. That little cat you choose for pretty woman. Well, you'll be Julia, I'll be Richard Gere. I can be the one to wipe away your lonely tears. She said, now, that ain't the way I flow. Give us some money, honey, let me get on with my day. You're looking so cool in your blue cagoule, standing out in the rain, going insane. Got your Ray-Bans on, waiting for the sun. Hair in your face, you're looking at a place. I said, why won't you come along with me? You sit on every corner, should be sitting on my knee. She said, no, that ain't the way I flow. Give me some money and then I'd like it if you go. I said, I can hear you standing there humming. That little cat you chewed for a pretty woman. Well, you'll be Julia, I'll be Richard Gere. I can be the one to wipe away your lonely tears. She said, no, that ain't the way I flow. Give me some money, honey, let me get on with my day. Over there, I'm only here. So let me take you to the show. We'll see some rock and roll. Even take you home if you really wanna go. Oh, oh. I can take you home straight after the show. Why won't you come along with me? You sit on every corner, should be sitting on my knee. She said, no, that ain't the way I flow. Give me some money and then I'd like it if you go. I said, I can hear you standing there humming. That little cat you chewed for a pretty woman. Well, you'll be Julia, I'll be Richard Gere. I can be the one to wipe away your lonely tears. And now, that ain't the way I flow. Give me some money, honey, let me get on with my. I can hear you standing there humming. That little cat you chewed for a pretty woman. Well, you'll be Julia, I'll be Richard Gere. I can be the one to wipe away your lonely tears. And now, that ain't the way I flow. Give me some money, honey, let me get on with my day.
On a scale of 1 to 3, attentiveness of the tutor. Happy scale of 1 to 10. 10. Sounds great. And say, for example, if I broke the law, right, or someone accused me of breaking the law, right, would you be all right with, say, coming into court to provide a character witness statement on behalf of your tutor, i.e. myself.
Yeah.
I love you, mate. I'm going to make this parole. I can feel it. I can feel it, mate.
Ray Fatakis, absolute legend. If you don't know who that is, that's Face Jacker. I love him. I'm always adding little bits into the show. Right, we have a re-entry this week, guys. David Bluey Scott with The Unknown Soldier. He did say to me last week, Jesus, let us slip off the boil there. He's got himself back in. He's this week's number 16. If you're patriotic, you're going to love it.
Standing out in the rain, going insane. Got your flip-flops.
How about this one instead?
My name is Tommy Englishman, and I'm going to a fight. The Honda Passionati at the front with all their might. So I signed up for adventure, got my Bible in my hand, my bayonets on my rifle, I'm off to no man's land. I've heard some gruesome stories, hope we make it home alive. They took me to the front line, I could not believe my eyes. Well, I found your sons and fathers, and the pile of 5 feet high. When the corporal blows his whistle, son, you better learn to run. Go